Speed. Power. Agility.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Balance. Coordination. Reaction time.
Speed is the ability to cover a distance or perform movement quickly. Power, the ability to combine both speed and force in movements. Agility, the ability to change your body's position and direction quickly and with control. Balance, the ability to keep your body stable when still or moving. Coordination, the ability to move two or more body parts together in an efficient controlled way. Reaction time, the ability to respond quickly to what you feel, see, or hear. This is our skill-related fitness components. So, thank you po, sir.